Hello children, it is the page number 4 in your textbook. Third part of this lesson video. The lesson name, the town mouse and the country mouse. As I told before, the town mouse visited to the country, and after that country mouse offered him to drink coconut water and simple water, and to eat root and sugar cane, but he did not enjoy because he was habituated to eat the cooked food. That's why he did not enjoy. And then he asked, because he was tired by the journey, he asked to sleep. Then country mouse told him to sleep in a hole. Now let's start now. Continue that. On the ground, asked the town mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, the cousin answered. Now, cousin means country mouse told him to sleep in the hole. Now, town mouse habituated to sleep in the cupboard, otherwise in the between the cloth. Now he asked, I have to sleep in ground? And then after this, country mouse replied, yes, in village we sleep in ground only, and please you have to sleep in ground only. As the town mouse lay down on the hard cold ground, he suddenly thought something cousin he called. After that, because he was not able to sleep, because in land hard and cold was there, he was habituated to sleep under the cloth. Now he remembered something and asked, yes, what is it? The country mouse asked, why it is so quiet here? Where are all the car and lorries? Where are all the radios and the television? Where are all the lights? Actually, in town, people used to wake up late night, go to bed late night, and used to see the television and radio, and also all night cars and lorry running on the road in city. But country life is different. Country life is quiet, and there are no lorry, car, no lot of vehicles are there. That's why sound is not there, and people don't used to see TV also. They sleep early. So now he was habituated to sleep in sound, television sound, radio sound and traffic sound. And he asked, what is this? Why it is so much quiet there? No more sound is there. Then country mouse replied, this is how it is the country. The cousin replied, it always be quiet in the country. Sometime it is quieter than today. Quieter. It is the comparative degree of quiet adjective. Okay. My grandfather says that our country is the quietest, superlative degree among preposition. All the village in the district. Oh, it is the country mouse. The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. Now after this, country mouse replied, yes, country is like this only. People go early, no traffic light, no people used to see TV and radio up to late night. And my grandmother was telling, this is now quiet. More quietness is there our village. In among means all how many nearby villages are there. He is the more quietest place in village in our this place. And then after this, town mouse told to himself, oh, it is a strange place, means I don't think this is, because he did not like that place. He did not enjoy food. He did not drink water, and he was not able to sleep also, because he has habit to live the comfortable life and life of the city. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm in search of food. And now next day in city, everybody get up early and used to go office and for work. That is why they cook breakfast early. But in village, no, because village mouse habituated to eat the raw food, and that is why he told to this his cousin कि we have to go to the farm. Farm means piece of land where the crops grows. Now कि we have to go the nearby farm and we search the food and tender we root and we can get something. No, don't worry. We are sure to find something, said a piece of root or tender sugar cane. He told, don't worry, we will definitely find something breakfast. Let's go to the farm.